When it comes to selecting date or time, they must be selected from calendar and cannot be typed in. Let's specify a date here. Click From to bring out the calendar. This is the calendar. Let's select 21st of May 2020. Note the date has been filled up. To clear the date, you can double-click on the field. The calendar can be moved by month, year or by 10 years intervals. Click this single left arrow to move to the previous month. Click this single right arrow to move to the next month. Click this double left arrow to move to the previous year. Click this double right arrow to move to the next year. Click this leftmost arrow to move in 10 years interval. Click this rightmost arrow to move in 10 years interval. This calendar can be closed by clicking on this close button or by clicking anywhere outside of the calendar. In some pages, shortcuts for selecting periods are available. Click Today to fill current date. This left arrow will move to the previous date. This right arrow will move to the next date. This month will fill up the first and last day of the month. The left arrow will move to the previous month. The right arrow will move to the next month. This year will fill up the first and last day of the year. The left arrow will move to the previous year. The right arrow will move to the next year. YTD will fill up the first day of the year till the current date. YTD equals year to date. MTD will fill up the first day of the month till the current date. MTD equals month to date. Sometimes, both date and time needs to be selected. Note that the time selector is available below the calendar. Click the downward triangle to reduce the values. Click the upward triangle to increase the values. AM or PM can be selected here. Click OK to enter the selected date and time. To remove the date/time, double-click on the field. Date and time is cleared. Time must also be selected from the time selector and cannot be typed in. Click on the time field. Drag the hour selector to select the hour. Drag the minute selector to select the minute. Click Done to close the time selector. In the registration page, date of birth, DOB, can be either selected from the calendar or age can be specified. Click this arrow to move by 10 years. Click this arrow again to move by another 10 years. Select 18. Note the age 20 years has been automatically filled up. You can also use the age to get to the DOB. Double-click DOB to remove the date. And let's try entering 21 years as the age. Type in 21. Note the DOB is automatically filled up. You can also enter the months component of the age to get more accurate DOB. That's it. You're done.